Hello guys, so today's question is non-repeating character. We are given a string S consisting of lowercase Latin letters. Return the first non-repeating character in S. If there are no if there is no non-repeating character, then return dollar symbol. So what is a non-repeating symbol or a character? Non-repeating means it is only occurring one time in the entire string. For example, if we take this example, H is occurring only once, as well as E is occurring only once, and O is occurring only once, while L is occurring twice. So H, E, and O are non-repeating characters in S, and we have to output the first of them. So the first of them is H. Similarly, in the second test case, if we see the frequency of Z is 1, 2, 3. The frequency of Z is 3. So it is a repeating character because it is occurring more than once. Similarly, in the case of X is occurring 1 and 2 times. Whereas if we check V, here is one V and this is the second V. So V is also a repeating character. Whereas if we check C is occurring only once in the entire string, so it is a non-repeating character and it is the first non-repeating character. So how can we solve this question? The first naive approach is to check each character one by one. Like the first pointer is at Z, and we will check the entire string that what is the frequency of Z. If the frequency of Z is 1, then it will be the first non-repeating character. Like this we can check character by character. The second approach is using an array to store the uh, occurrences, to store the count of the occurrences of each letter. So this is a visual representation. We will maintain a array and each index will correspond to a character. Suppose index 0 will correspond to character A, index 1 will correspond to character B, index 2 will correspond to character C. This is how. And what we are going to do is we are going to check the entire input string and we are going to increment these values. Like if A is occurring 3 times in the entire string, then the value at this place will be 3. So this is how we are going to modify our array, and at the end the place where we see the frequency is 1, we will return that point. So first of all, we have declared this array and we are initializing it with 0. Now after that, what we are going to do is we are extracting each character of S one by one. After that, what we check is what will be the corresponding index of this character in our array. Suppose if our character is A, so corresponding index will be 0. If our character is C, then the corresponding index will be 2. So for that we use this formula to find out the corresponding index, and we will increment the array at that position. After that, what we are going to check is that what are all the non-repeating characters, and if we found any one of them, we will return the first non-repeating character. So for that we have used this logic. What we are doing here is that first we are extracting the character of the S and we are finding the corresponding index of this character in our array. Suppose the first character is H, so for that we will have a corresponding index in our array and we will check if the frequency of this H in the entire string is 1. If we found any character like this, we will return that character because that character will be the first non-repeating character, and if in case we do not find any character with the frequency as 1, then we know that there is no non-repeating character, and we will simply return the dollar symbol. And if we click on the submit button, we can see that it will pass all the test cases. Yeah, so thank you.